In previous videos, we have shown that contrep enables the generation of configurable and executable performance model. This is an important requirement to enable the design space exploration phase. We have also shown that the user can simulate as many times as wanted that performance model, passing different values to the parameters on a parameter file, and that way enable an interactive design space exploration. In addition to that, the contrep framework supports the generation of the required infrastructure for triggering an automated, not interactive design space exploration. There are two main elements of the contrep environment to show that capabilities. The first one is the DSC menu, and this menu has two main actions. One is to generate all the required infrastructure apart from the executable and configurable performance model, and there is another action to launch the design space exploration itself. In a similar way as for the performance model generation, as the additional infrastructure, additional with respect to performance model, consists in a set of files. The framework provides you the capability to produce individually these files or reproduce these files. In addition to this menu, the user can control the behavior of the generation and of these files, and also on the execution of the DSC loop by means of DSC configuration tab. In this DSC configuration tab, one of the most important choices is the exploration tool. Currently, the tool supports Multi-Cube Explorer and MOST, which is the most advanced version of Multi-Cube Explorer, enhanced and developed in context. And then another important aspect to consider is the exploration algorithm, which is the exploration strategy. That is configured by two main attributes, which is the design of experiments and the DSC optimizer. These are actually attributes that are passed to the configuration script, and that have a counterpart in this configuration front end. We can observe also that the options for the design of experiments and for the DSC optimizer are dependent on the specific exploration tools, and this is considered by the configuration tab. In addition, you can configure, or the user can configure, if HTML nice report is generated after the exploration, if the all the files, specifically the system configuration files and the output reports, are preserved to later check, for instance, strange figures or figures that might seem strange, so to give access to the raw data that are being generated during the exploration. And then some other configuration regarding what we call, which has been enabled in this project also, which is called miscriticality aware cost function for enabling miscriticality aware DSC.